partiers. It is your girl Tiffany and
Amaya.
Back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, me and Amaya are going to be doing another Christmas video. Today we're going to be doing, you can use this as a Christmas gift idea or a birthday party idea, you guys, but we're doing it for Christmas. A gift to give our family and friends, a easy little project, you guys. We are going to be filling our own ornaments, you guys, with candy. So we're going to be doing candy ornaments today. So you guys, stay tuned to this video. All right, you guys. So this is what you're going to need to do these candy filled ornaments. Now, these are the ornaments I was talking about. And I'm going to take these. Oh, I got one out right here. Okay. So, see? Comes in two pieces. And then you're going to put it together like this. And there's your ornament. And you guys, I purchased these from Michael's. And let me show you. They had all different sizes and all different shapes, you guys, of ornaments. Let me just show you the little ones. And these were $1. So, these are the little ones right here. Upside down. Here are the little ones. But let me cut these open.
You don't need to cut it open.
Yeah, because we're going to use these. Okay, let me see this one, Amaya. So I am going to, I have two big ones and two little ones. Let me just throw that to the side, you guys. So, here is the candy we are going to be using. We're going to be using these peppermints again.
Why you told me this?
Oh, I didn't. And we're going to be using Jolly Ranchers. We're going to be using Now and Laters, you guys. A whole bunch of those coming out.
What does this go to?
And we're going to be using bubble gum. Where did it go? Oh, see this double bubble, you guys. So, first,
Tiffany, where did this go to?
this is a little one we're going to be using. So, Amaya, come over in the camera so they can see you. So, Amaya is going to fill the little one up with gum, Amaya.
Yeah, with gum.
Okay, so this is all of yours.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me see if there's any more gum. Okay, that's it. So, Amaya, what you're going to do is you're going to take your gum and you're going to put it in one of these. Just one. And I'm going to do, yeah. Let me see this. I'm going to do, let me turn my camera so they can see. Okay, so you're going to fill one side with bubble gum. Do this side so they can see. Well, no, they can see you right here. Here.
Somebody's calling you.
Yeah, I know, but I can't stop my video. So I am going to fill this one up with Jolly Ranchers, you guys. So I'm just going to take one side of my ornament and just start filling it up.
Well, you're just going to have to call her back.
You know why am I saying that? Because that is her granny and my mother calling. So she's giving me a hint that I should have answered my phone. But I can't right now, Maya, because we are doing a video.
Is this one the top?
No, that candy isn't going in there, just bubble gum.
Oh.
So you're going to have to take that candy out of there. Take that candy out of there and just put bubble gum in there.
What bubble gum?
Just these. So give me this. That goes with mine. You put all gum in yours.
What?
And I'm putting all Jolly Ranchers in mine.
It won't fit.
Yes, it will. See, watch. Watch how I do mine. So I got mine all filled with the Jolly Ranchers. So I'm just going to take the other half. Make sure all this candy is tucked in. Let's see here. I might have too much candy in here, you guys.
I told you.
Oh, here it is. I think I got it. I just need to tuck that. Okay. I got mine now. Okay, see, you guys? See? This one is filled with Jolly Ranchers.
1, 2,
Now,
4, 5.
you got to bring it over here so they can see it. So, bring it right here. Bring your gum over here. And just start putting them in there. Put them all in there.
It won't.
Yeah, just start putting them in like this. It looks like it's not going to fit. But, look. See?
No.
See that?
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's tricky, huh?
I did know that.
It's tricky. So now, just push it together and close it. You got it closed?
Yes.
Yep, it's closed. So now show everybody the bubblegum one. Put it up to the camera so they can see. Oh, you didn't have it on there. Tighten. Okay, let's see if I can help you out, Amaya.
I didn't know.
Oh, it was just an accident. So let's try this again. Oh, I'm dropping them.
I told you.
Okay, let me see that. Okay.
And look, it's Tiffany.
Ooh. I think I had you stuff it too much, Amaya.
Why you eat those Jolly Ranchers?
So me and Amaya are gonna give these as gifts. So here's the bubblegum one, you guys. Double bubblegum. Okay, so we're gonna leave that one right here. And then I'm gonna continue to fill this one with now-laters. And you got a whole bunch of now-laters. Amaya, they don't want to hear you. What you thinking? Or
I'm whistling, Tiffany.
that's not whistling. Whistling is. That's whistling.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Like this?
That's bebop. Beboxing.
What? That's not a people.
Okay. So here is the now later one, you guys. Now and later.
Like it's beatbox.
See, we got our now and laters in here. And like I said, this is a easy little DIY little gift project, you guys. Okay.
Why are you putting this in here?
You know what? Actually, I was going to do keep these in my car in case I wanted a piece of candy. So I had it to put in my car.
And look, now we got everything set. Jelly ranchers and everything.
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
And I almost got this one.
Jelly ranchers.
Let's see. Okay.
Bubble gum.
Okay. And peppermints. There we go. So what you can do also is see this ribbon, this Christmas ribbon, you guys. I'm just gonna cut a piece off real quick. Okay. So you can just put it through. Let's see. It almost opened up on me again, Amaya. See you guys. Amaya, you are always eating candy when we're doing our videos.
I told you.
See, she's back at it again, you guys. Eating candy while we're doing a video. Where are you eating? What kind of candy is that you're eating? A now-later? Yep, a now-later. See you guys? There's your ornament. See? You can hang these on a tree. Or like I said, give them as Christmas gifts. Or you know what we do with these? When we're on Christmas Eve, when we're playing games, you guys, Christmas games. These are some of the gifts that we give away. We're gonna be giving away when we play, you guys. So, like I said, just a short little video and an easy DIY gift project. You also can do these for like birthday parties, you guys. If you want to give a gift to a person, a candy lover, you can fill these up with like, sometimes people do like Nerds, M&M's, stuff like that, you guys. But that is another one of our little videos. And you guys, again, we are going to end this video.
Yo.
Did you just jump in the camera? No, they didn't see you majority of the time through this video. And at the end, Amaya jumps in there. But we are going to end this video by saying don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And guess what?
And we will party with you guys next time. Bye.
What she said. Bye.